Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Joy with Joe. Today we are tackling a common problem that all the artists face, that is canvas dents. Stay tuned to learn a simple yet effective technique to fix those annoying dents using just water. Before we dive into the solution, let's take a closer look at the issue. Canvas dents can really diminish the quality of your artwork, causing frustrations for artists everywhere. The trick we are going to explore today involves using water. By spraying the back of the canvas, we can help the fibers relax and regain their original shape, saving your artwork from those unsightly dents. So here's the dent we are dealing with. Now let's apply a light mist of water to the back of the canvas, usually focusing on the dented area. Remember, the key is to dampen, not soak the canvas. Now, this is a time to be patient. Let the canvas air dry, allowing the fibers to gradually expand back to their original state. This might take a bit of time, but the results will be worth it. And voila, take a look at this canvas now. The dent is completely gone and our artwork is saved. Just compare it to how it looked before. What a difference. Store your canvases properly to prevent dents, and if the dent is still slightly visible after the water spraying method, I don't have any other technique. That's a wrap for today's video, folks. I hope you found this technique helpful. Don't forget to give it a try and let me know how this works for you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow artists, and subscribe for more art-related tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.